Here we go. Oh, fish on. Whoa. Oh, fish on.
Holy moly. Oh, the camera.
Oh no! The front of my boat went so deep.
We're doing some fishing in the kayak. We're going down the Awakino River. We've just put our lures on and we're flicking them off the dock runner. Oh, fish on! Oh, it got off. Dang it, I had a hit. Oh, fish on! Fish on! Oh no! Dang! Dude!
Ben just hooked a fish and it got off and he hooked another one. Yeah, this is where I caught my first trout. Oh, I'm gonna cast straight into that cave. Going low. I'm on! I've got a fish! Oh, wait, is it still on? I think it's coming towards me. Oh, wait. Yeah, scoop it, scoop it. Yo! That was so awesome! Oh, my paddle. That was awesome.
Oh.
Holy. Oh, yeah, that's a log jam right there. This is about to get interesting. Oh, this log crossing episode 1. Oh no! Oh crap! How did that happen? I almost went in. Yo, that's awesome. I have a feeling we're gonna have to do that more than once. Oh! Wait, I got it. Oh, it's off. I got it on the boat just in time and now it's off. Oh no, it's jumping a bit. That was epic. I saw it surface and then I cast right where I saw that it surfaced, reeled and caught this thing. Right here. That's straight after catching that one. Oh, it's went straight towards me. I thought I lost it. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Oh no! Oh, come on, get over here then. Alright, are you ready? I'm gonna bring it towards you. I'm bringing it over to you. Scoop it. Oh, it's still got a lot of fight left in it. Alright, ready? Yo! No, it's just cast straight after. I catch that one, release it, and then I catch another one immediately. Wait, should I grab the net? Yo! Oh, what have I done? Alright, this is gonna get shallow. It's gonna get shallow. Oh! Crunch. Oh no, my rods! Oh, my rods! Shallow. Yes, speak. Holy!
Just hold your pedal, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold it so I can keep hold of my boat.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay, we've found hopefully a camp spot.
We managed to beach right above these rapids.
So in the morning we'll have some tricky kayaking to do
Yeah,
immediately.
hopefully.
That'll be a wake up.
That'll be good. And this whole bank was all cliff until we got to this little beach where the stream comes out from the bush.
So this is our only spot we can get the kayaks off the water.
Find a good campsite, hopefully.
Oh, maybe this is it. Yes, this is it. We need better access. We need some better way to get up.
Boy, this is crazy.
Yeah, this is like
a crazy
jungle.
Spot. This is the way we get in, actually.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're getting the stuff up here. Got the fish strung up.
Let's head into the bush.
What a quickness will be.
That's camp. We're above the river, just above the rapids, next to the stream.
We got the hammock set up under the top and the river's right there. So I might head down and do some fishing later, but oh, what a cast right under that tree there. Oh crud. Yep, I've done it. Look at this. There we go, there's dinner. We'll probably have to cut it in half to fit it in the mess tin and cook it up. Look at that thing. Oh, it's circling back.
Let him bite it.
Because that was big. It was like that round.
Yeah, it was fat though. It was massive.
Yo!
Tiny trout.
That's your first. So on the menu tonight we've got this trout, which I had to cut in half to fit in the pan here. And we've got Uncle Ben's rice. Just open the top up. Chuck it in that boiling water.
Dinner is served.
Nice cold boots, cold wet shoes. We've got those rapids to tackle as soon as we get in our kayaks. So we had a good breakfast and packed up all the gear. We're gonna get on the water again, catch some more trout and float to the bottom. We're not even a quarter of a way there and we only have a matter of hours to do it. 8:55, back on the water. Early morning rapids. Yeah, that's a wake up. I'm gonna send it. Oh, you hit her up. Go. Woo! Straight out. Going straight in behind me. Oh, nice. Oh, that was rough. Go on the bait caster. Tighten my drag a bit. Oh, I gotta get it up before these logs. Oh no, it's going under right where the logs are. Oh, it's pulling hard. It's pulling my kayak around. There's a good trout. Whoa, oh, it's coming straight at me. Oh, it's right there. All right, you gotta hook it now. Oh, I just pulled my whole rod in the water. All right, you ready? Got the net. I think it's hooked pretty good. Oh, this is a proper fight. Look at my rod. Get in. Yes, that's a big trout. Biggest rainbow trout. Check out that rock there. You got one. Do you need help netting it? Yo! In the net. Nice. Oh, fish on. This is gonna get crazy. Here we go. Oh, I'm wet. Whoa! Oh, there's a rock! Oh, leg! Oh! Oh, yes, nicely done. Oh. Oh, there's a rock there. Oh, there's a rock there. There's a rock there. Oh, good. Yes! I was in the water. Doing this rocket pit. Oh no! Another one. Oh yes. I probably put a hole in my kayak. I mean lift. What am I saying? That's actually crazy. Scratching its neck. Cliff goats. It's gonna be shallow. Oh, that is rough. Rock there. Oh, rock there. Oh. Oh, come on. Yes, that was smooth. That was smooth. Okay. Did you have any loose gear? You're okay. Just, do you need help? Holy, you went fully under. Did you lose anything? Really? The ugly stick? With the fancy Okuma reel? Oh crud.
And I couldn't make it. I was about to turn my face and I put the pedal up against it.
Oh, and you flip.
I can take that out of this first rod.
Yes, the bridge! Yes! Woo! We did it! We survived the Awakino River! Yes! So much paddling! Yeah. Whoa! That was a fish! A fish right there. Maybe it was like a flower.